You've probably heard the buzz around Beam Wallet, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet. But is it really as secure as they claim? Let's dive deep and find out. In today's digital age, where data breaches are a common occurrence, privacy has become a major concern. Cryptocurrencies, especially those that prioritize anonymity, offer a solution. Beam Wallet is one such solution, promising to keep your transactions private and secure. Key features of Beam Wallet. Mimblewimble Protocol. This cutting-edge technology ensures that your transactions are untraceable, making it nearly impossible for anyone to track your financial activity. Zero-knowledge proofs. These cryptographic techniques allow you to prove certain information without revealing the underlying data, further enhancing your privacy. Shielded transactions. Beam Wallet supports shielded transactions, which hide the sender, recipient, and amount of the transaction. Is Beam Wallet truly safe? While Beam Wallet offers impressive privacy features, it's essential to understand the potential risks and security measures. Wallet security. Strong passphrase. A strong, unique passphrase is crucial to protect your wallet. Avoid using easily guessable passwords. Regular updates. Keep your wallet software up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and bug fixes. Backup seeds. Store your backup seeds securely in a safe place, offline. Never share them with anyone. Network security. Node selection. Choose reliable nodes to interact with the Beam network. Avoid nodes that may be compromised. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and security advisories related to Beam and cryptocurrency in general. Potential risks and mitigation. Phishing attacks. Be cautious of phishing attempts, where scammers may try to trick you into revealing your private information. Malware. Avoid downloading suspicious software that could compromise your device and wallet. Lost or stolen devices. Implement strong device security measures, such as biometric authentication and screen locks. Human error. Always double-check addresses and amounts before sending transactions. Beam Wallet is a promising solution for those who value privacy and security. However, it's important to use it responsibly and follow best practices to minimize risks. By understanding the technology, staying informed, and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of Beam Wallet while safeguarding your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.